All right, I'm just gonna try to make a quick video here for you. So, Skullcandy makes good headphones, but they have some problems. As you can see, my case, it's got a charge, but only the one headphone lights up. Take it in, take it out. Nothing, right? She's dead for some stupid reason. So, a lot of people do this battery trick. It's quite hard, but you see these two cables? You see these two little pieces? Yeah. Well, you get a AA battery. It's quite tricky. Get yourself some metal of some sort. Oh, fuck. How did I do this? Let's see. Okay. You try to bend it in a way so you're touching the connectors. Jeez. Sorry. This is bad. But anyways, you get the concept. You basically, you want to hook this up in a way that you can connect these two pieces together. Sorry, the worst cameraman ever. It's super hard to do, but there's easier methods. I'm just being lazy, I guess. All right. Let's see. Oh, I'm not doing a very good job at this, but yeah, I'm just trying to connect. Hopefully I got it. It's hard to say. I don't know. But anyways, let's see. There you go. She's back to life. I don't know why.